Hi there, welcome to 1% Better Today. I'm Sam. Yes. So before going to the normal, so I'll just do a quick update. I'll probably do this like a monthly report at the end of, but now it's not at the end of month. Probably the next one will be towards end of, at the end of February. So it would be like a monthly report talking about the my stream of income. They are both passive and active income. So I'm looking to create 10 passive income stream from from online. Here are the 10 different streams that I actually thought. Some of them I'm actually doing it. So um, okay, let's start with the first one. Is YouTube and blogging. So from, as you know, doing YouTube, doing YouTube videos, you get paid from AdSense. If people watch your video, then you get paid. There will be ads popping up. So when ads pop up, the person who create the content get paid. So I'm doing this. I have a few other YouTube channel that is generating revenue also. So this is another one for me, but this more targeted at crypto currency, Bitcoin and stuff, at other altcoins. So also on the blog, you can also set up AdSense advertisement on the blog site, and you'll generate ads revenue. So the second one is actually from Steemit and DTube. They are actually tied together. It's like an application, a blockchain application. I think they are pretty successful because it's similar to like blogging and YouTube, but you get paid instead of paid in dollar, you get paid in Steem dollar, and this Steem dollar you can actually exchange it out to Steem tokens or Steem coin, which after that you can actually trade it. You can actually sell it to for Bitcoin and then exchange to fiat currency and stuff. But unfortunately, they are pretty stringent now on their account registration. So I submitted my account creation, but still waiting. Don't know how long it takes. Say up to 7 days. I saw comments saying that it may be up to 10 days. Next, on the lending platform, like I mentioned, like after the BitConnect experience, how come I'm still getting into a lending platform? Because this is just one of the. I'll be more careful now. I mean, from lesson, let's say a lot of lesson learned from the experience. I'll be more careful now. My strategy change. So this is another source of passive income stream. So I'll be putting money in, which I already done for Devil Coin. For Tor Coin, I'm still waiting it to start. Then this lending platform gives daily interest return, but at the same time they are very risky. Like BitConnect experience, they might just like after you sign up, who knows when they will close off the service or close down. So be careful, go with the amount you can afford to lose. Then next is Bitcoin mining. So I actually signed up this Genesis mining contract, but it won't start until the March of 2018. So still pending income from here. It probably take about 6 months to get the return of capital. I mean, take my capital back on the amount that I put in to buy the Genesis mining contract for Bitcoin. Then the number 5 will be on affiliate. So affiliates are like all this, probably not for YouTube and blog, probably for this one, for lending platform. Like if you use my affiliate links or referral links below on Devilcoin or Torcoin or Binance for you to buy altcoins like Ripple, like Tron, like those popular altcoin that is on attention, on hype. You can actually buy them from Binance. If you can't find it on Binance, you can buy it from KuCoin. Both exchange actually offer referral link, which you can, if people sign up using your referral link, you get certain referral bonus from there. In terms of the cryptocurrency bonus. Then also from Coinbase, if people sign up using my referral link from Coinbase and get some Bitcoins, Ethereum or whatever, as long as it's $100 above, I get referral bonus also from free Bitcoin for people who have not much money and don't want to spend, but they have a lot of time. They just want to earn some free crypto as like during to spend their hours. They can use this free Bitcoin, freebitco.in and at BTC, which there's also referral for people who join under. So I actually get some referral bonus over there. So this is for the affiliates. So affiliate generates passive referral bonus. Then next would be proof of stake. Proof of stake is like holding those cryptocurrency, which at the end of the month, they actually by holding this cryptocurrency, they will actually pay you dividends every month. So I'm holding, I think two of them. Yeah. Then after that, number 7, number 8, number 9. So I need 4 more streams of passive income, which I'm looking to create, probably doing on ebook or some audio program or something. Not sure about that. Let's see how it goes, but be the first major one. Probably I want to get this Steemit and YouTube up and running, and also to transfer all my previous content in another channel back to this into this YouTube channel going forward, which I'll be using. That's my 10 passive income stream. Then after that will be on the active income stream. So active income stream, I'll be doing some trading, still be doing some trading on FYBSG. Then after FYBSG only offer Bitcoin trading. Then also on the number 2 active income will be providing a service for those people who are actually just starting out, who are new, who are not very familiar with how the Bitcoin higher process creating of wallet, all this, not very sure how to do it, and find a hassle, like don't know whether to believe or how to actually do it, encounter some problem or stuff like that. I provide this private service. Is a one-to-one consultation, can be like online, can be offline meetup, but it will be there will be a fee. There will be $100 per hour fee. So I need to get this fee first before the consultation actually start. And oh yeah, no need for Bitcoin. Let's say you are interested in buying like altcoins like Tron, Ripple, VeChain, what else? The popular one that pop up and people want to get in the hype. You want to get on the hype also, then I provide this service one-to-one. I mean, teach you how to actually buy the Bitcoin, convert to altcoin, or just buy the Bitcoin, and then if you want to sell it at your own pace. So this service is $100 an hour. It can be online or offline. Then you have to buy the Bitcoin or altcoin amount of 10,000 and above. Then after that, apart from the $100 consultation hour, I also charge a 1% service charge on the amount purchased. So for 10,000, it will be additional $100. So these are the streams of income that I'm working on. Then yep, that's about it on the update. And with that, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you at the next video. VS and GS.